Let's use these Bullfix drywall hangers to fix our problem. We had tried so many hangers. This one finally did the job. So what we're showing you right here is the depth of our drywall to our concrete block. It's 1.5 inches, which was exactly perfect for these hangers. So let's get started. First, we're going to use the drill bit that comes with the hangers. We so appreciated the fact that it came with the kit because, you'd have to go out and find the one that's the right size and make sure it's correct, and it might not be right. But this one came with it. So Matt is just tucking in the little pieces of drywall that kind of spit out as you're using a drill bit. So we just kind of tucked each one. We are doing 4 hangers for a mirror that we are hanging, and you will see that mirror shortly. So once we had all of our holes drilled, we went ahead and got our mirror ready. There it is. It weighs about 35 pounds, so it's pretty heavy. So we wanted to just really make it stable. So here are the things that come with it. It does come with the screws, the anchors, the little fastener that goes in the wall before you put the anchor in. It's like a little hood piece, super easy to install. So here's our holes. Yes, there's extra holes because, like I said, we tried all kinds of different hangers before we found these. And I'm so glad we did. So the 4 main holes there are the ones that we're using. Matt is putting the sleeve in, and they're easy. You just kind of put them in the hole by hand, and then you tap them into place until they're flush with the wall. Now, they are plastic, so using a hammer with plastic is not always a great idea. So Matt, being the smart guy he is, grabbed a 2x4 so that you're not putting pressure directly on the plastic. And then he just tapped them into place until they were flush with the drywall, each one. And that literally just took a second to do. So once they're all flush and in the wall ready to go, you are ready to get your little hangers that tuck right inside of each one of those little sleeves. The design of this hanger is really, really smart. The manufacturer of this product really put a lot of thought and engineering into how this will work. So when you grab your little hanger, it kind of looks like a fish. When I was holding it up, I was like, it's a fish. So the tail of the fish goes into the wall, and you just kind of press it by hand. It's a little hard to do at first, but then I grabbed a hammer, and let me tell you, I am very barely tapping this little piece of plastic until it opens up and you can start to see it. So you want one piece to go up, one piece to go down, and then it finally will catch, and then you will see that it is getting very close. Again, please, very, very gently. So once I got it into place, I did grab a flat-headed screwdriver. I didn't want to tap on it and have it go too far in the wall. So I just used it to just flatten it out. Again, very, very gently, top and bottom, just tapping very gently until the 2 pieces create the hole that you're looking for. And the hole should be completely round. So you can see the 2 pieces and how so that one's not quite done. And that's why I grabbed my flat-headed screwdriver at the top there and right there. And I just tapped it right there until the hole was a perfect circle. And then just put up whatever you're using. Our mirror uses a rail system. So I'm using the screws that came with the system straight through the aluminum rail that hangs our mirror. We got it up there. We got it level, got all 4 screws in. It was level. We obviously leveled the holes beforehand, and it is really strong. That mirror is going nowhere. We got that mirror hung up, and finally, my workout mirror is hung up. I am so excited.